Hello everyone, good morning uh, to all the OFWs around the world. Good morning, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Today is March 2 na, no? 2021. And same as usual, we will discuss the PCI for today. Already started the uh, trading, 9:30 in the morning, Philippine time. And shout out to the viewers. Mercy ACAS, thank you. To Christine Nabulag, Nelva Rupino, and Mr. Nature. Thank you for your support. Uh, Thank you very much. So now let us check the movement of PCI as of 9:38 in the morning. But before that, this is only a disclaimer that this discussion, uh, there is no recommendation for buying, selling, or holding your position if you have shares of these companies. This is only for educational purposes. We need to study the support and the price movement. So because as I said, support and resistance is very much important here in the stock market if you trade in the stock market. So let's go to the chart. We will see the PCI. Thank you, Mr. Nature. Thank you very much. So we'll share. I will share to you the PCI. As of 9:39 in the morning. So this is our chart now as of 9:39. The most active here is Dato. It is down by 3.10%. LPG up by 2.89. Metrobank green. BDO AGI and LRW for the most active as 9:40 in the morning. We have top gainers IMP, LAN and FINN. And the losers is Metrobank 6.2%. And EBS, AB7 down by 5.51%. PNX, LBC and ASIC 3%. And C, Chelsea is also down. Now, this is the current actual chart of the PCI. As of 9:40 is up by 0.01%. So if ever there is if the closing price of PCI today is red below the closing price yesterday, this is the next possible direction we need to see for PCI, this incline support. But if it is green, it will close higher than the closing level yesterday. This is the possible direction of PCI in the next trading days. This horizontal resistance. So this is my opinion for PCI. If he will close below the closing price yesterday, this is the next movement of PCI. But if it will close higher than the closing yesterday, this is the next possible direction of PCI, this horizontal resistance above. So this is the current level of PCI as of 9:42. So let's go to the first one, Requester Security Bank. As I said, there is no recommendation for buying, selling, or uh, holding your position. This is only for educational purposes only. So Security Bank now, uh, still in the resistant area, this area here, the resistant area. So if we ever we will break this resistance, possible direction this line above here. If we will close after the 1 o'clock, uh, during the closing hours, because the trading is up to 1 o'clock in the afternoon. If we will break this resistance line here, we can draw a resistance here, horizontal resistance, this area. We'll see, we'll put the line. So this is the horizontal resistance of Security Bank. If ever we will close above on this line, possible we will go up above on this area. But for now, still in the resistance area. We need to see and wait if there's a breakout of this line. If we draw incline resistance, we'll try to draw a line. We will connect the highs. So now is above on this incline resistance. So what we need to see only is this horizontal resistance na ma-break ni Security Bank. So we'll check the overall pattern. So we need to see this horizontal resistance na ma-break ni Security Bank. So if ever he will close below this incline resistance, of course he will go back to this horizontal support line below this line here. So we need to monitor the Security Bank if we will break the resistance. Shout out to Engineer Edwin Vergara and Edwin Bilan, Engineer Edwin Bilan, and to Engineer Mati Osnan. Shout out. So this is the actual price movement of Security Bank as of 9:45 in the morning. So now it's down. So monitor the Security Bank if we will break the horizontal resistance, this line here. Now we can adjust this line also. We can adjust it here. So this area here. But there is minor resistance creating on this line here. This 131.5. So this is the area we need to see for Security Bank. If you see MACD is now still below the zero line, but it is crossing the single line. But it's still considered as weak momentum because it is below the zero line. It is in the corrective thrust. And the index is 15.98. So just monitor the movement of Security Security Bank, if we will break this high yesterday, which is 131.5. So that it will go up, possibly will go to the next resistance line above. But still, he's in the support area now. This incline support. So monitor the Security Bank movement. Next one is RLC. Shout out to Francis Amparo, Kate Jason, John Marching, to roughly B. Morano and Minard Castro, Will Lubnok, and to Ivan Dave, Iwakeri, Candy Marias, and Dave Mayapan, and Patricia Siasat, and to Manny Davis. Okay. Shout out to all of you, to Iki Bordado and Christian Amlug, to Engineer Ryan Lasaka. Shout out to all of you. So RLC, if you see RLC now, current price is below the opening. It's 948. If ever we'll close red today, we'll expect we will go another retracement. If we will close red, because now he is near the resistance area here, this horizontal resistance. So don't be aggressive for RLC for now. We'll wait if there is a retracement again. If we will close red today, but still there is a remaining time up to 1 o'clock. It's now 9:49. So just we will see during the closing hour if the closing price of RLC is above the previous closing price yesterday. But if we will close red, as I said, we'll expect another retracement for RLC. So now is in the resistance area. So we don't want to be aggressive for now. So it's still marked below the zero line, but it's crossing the signal line. But for me, if we will break this horizontal resistance, this line, it is good for RLC. But for now, wait if there's a breakout. And if not, if there's no breakout, then just stay and wait for another opportunity for RLC. Especially if we will close red today. Because if we will close red, of course, we will go retracement. Minor pullback to the support area. So we need to see always in the support area, because this is the area where the buyers is monitoring. Shout out to my wife, Nina ACAS. Happy birthday to you. To Chris Venture, thank you very much. To Chrismine Abulag, Nel Baropino, Mr. Nature, and Mercy ACAS, thank you very much. So now we'll see the chart of FNI. Currently, as 9:51 in the morning, still it is below the opening price. So it is red color, and there is a rejection for FNI. So if we will close red today, below the closing price yesterday, we will expect it will go back to this horizontal support, this line. So for me, it is not the time to be aggressive for FNI now, unless it will go back to the support area. We can draw the incline support. We will try to draw this bottom line here, and we will draw this bottom line here. So we'll see where the next fallback of FNI. So for the general opinion for FNI, there is a rejection as of 952. We will wait if there is a bounce on this incline support. So if there's no bounce here, of course, you will go back to this horizontal support line below. So we need to wait if there's a pullback because there's a rejection as of 952. Just monitor now if we will close green above the high of yesterday 2.99. This is good for FNI. For me, but it depends on your opinion. If you will close above 2.29 today, this is good. But if you will close below the opening price of today, we'll see this inclined support na still mag-hold sa FNI. If not, they will go back to this horizontal line below. So just monitor the movement of FNI. EW, we'll see the EW. Jollibee is green, Converge cream is red, so it means the opening price is higher than the current price as of 953. So EW, there is a pullback now because yesterday it is red. So we'll expect another pullback for EW to this incline support, this line here. This is the support. So we need to watch again if we will go back to this line. So just wait, another opportunity for EW. So tingnan natin din sa may incline support. Shout out to Loan sa Lobby. Thank you very much for your support. Thank you. Now let's go to the chart of EW, Swiss Bank. This is my opinion. We will see if there's a pullback again of this incline support because there is a pullback yesterday. So we need to see this incline support na mag-hold si EW. This is the right place we need to watch for EW. So dapat hindi ma-break ni EW this incline support. We'll see the MACD. MACD is still below the zero line. So we need to wait that the price of EW will drop to this incline support. So provided that incline support na hindi ma-break ni EW, most especially this exponential moving average 200, this green line. So this line, this is very important, and this horizontal line, and it may break ni EW because it will become a downtrend. So monitor this EW na hindi ma-break yung incline support, this line. Which one is AGI? Now, most active here is dito, Metrobank, LTG, green. ASIN is down by 0.68. As per the current movement of AGI, AGI now is in the resistance area, this line, this horizontal resistance above. It is now near, it is in the resistance area for AGI. So don't be aggressive for AGI. Wait if there is a breakout of this horizontal resistance, this line. So just monitor up to 1 o'clock if there is a breakout. But if there's no breakout, Keep away muna because there is a rejection as of 9:57 in the morning. If there is a rejection possible, they will go back to this next support line below, especially this uh, incline support this line. This is a very strong support line, this incline. So how many times it is there's a bounce on this incline support this line. So just monitor and don't be aggressive if there is no breakout for AGI. This is my own opinion, but it's depend on your strategy. But for me, I will not go inside the AGI now because it is in the resistant area and there is a rejection as of 9:58. So we need to see if there is a breakout. If there is no breakout, wait if there's a pullback of EGI. Next one is HLPH. Shout out to Engineer Berhelio Magna, to Engineer Eric Lamontad. Thank you for your support. To Engineer Peter Dominic and Engineer Victor Miguel Pinat. And to Engineer Casritzard Lorono. And to Engineer Jonas Espijo also. Is HLPS, Pilipinas Shales, Petroleum. We see this is the support line of this HLPS, this incline. There are 3 times there's a bounce on this area. But based on the price movement of HLPS, still is going downward. This based on this price movement here, still there's a downward movement. We need to watch again if this incline support na mag-hold si Philippine Shell Petroleum. So this is my opinion for HLPS. When he hit this horizontal resistance, this line here, there is a pullback on this area. So there's a rejection, and the current price as of 9:59 is still going down. If you see the overall pattern, still going down. We need to wait if there is a breakout of this incline horizontal resistance, if ever. But if there's no breakout, then we need to wait this incline support again. If there is a bounce in this area, provided that this incline support and hindi ma-break ni is its LPS. Because kung ma-break yan, then of course it will go back below. Maybe this area here, this support line here. So this is only the important in trading. We need to watch the support and resistance. If there is a bounce in the support, then it's good. This is the time we need to see, and if there's a bounce. But for now, if it is not resistant, we need to avoid. We need to wait if there is a pullback again. Thank you, Lods Salabi, for your support. To my wife, to Engineer Edwin Bilan, to Chris Venture, and to Chrisman Abulag, and Nel Baropino, and Mercy ACAS. Thank you for your support. To Mr. Creature also. Mr. Nature. So this is my thoughts for SHLPH. If you still you will not break this resistant line, then we need to wait. There's a pullback again. I will draw the minor incline resistance here, so that you will see. So if you see that movement, still below the incline line, this incline resistance. So this is why I don't want to be aggressive for SHLPH unless you will break the incline resistance. So now the market is down. PCI is down now. So it's down by 0.33 as of 502. So there's a possibility that most of the companies will also going down. So this is my thoughts for SHLPH. We need to wait if there's a breakout of this incline resistant, and if there is no breakout, we will wait if there is a pullback again on this incline support, provided that this incline support is still mag-hold. Next one is C. Shout out to my building trade crew, Patricio Santiago, to Islam Udin Tuyop Ali, to Tariq Abdullah Sheikh and Gulpam Jabbar Ibari. Thank you. To Engineer Diego Aboneta, to Engineer Kenneth ACAS and Engineer Liza John Gloria, to Engineer Mitchell ACAS. Thank you for your support. To Gary Carmona and El Espiritu, and Coach Barques and Jonathan Noho. Thank you for your support. Now, if you see Chelsea Logistic, based on the movement of the price here, still in a downward movement. This support, this incline support here, ay hindi na-hold ni Chelsea Logistic. This is the support, and there's a short bounce here, but he break this incline support. So then the price is going down. Now we need to see here, this bottom line, this horizontal support, kung may bounce ni Chelsea on this area. But currently, for me, still going downward movement. The current price of 10.04 in the morning, still in the downward movement of Chelsea. So we need to wait if there's a bounce on this area, and there is a confirmation candle. If the price will bounce on this horizontal support line. But for now, I see still there's no confirmation candle for Chelsea. Now he's in the downtrend. No? So we need to wait if there's only a short bounce. But no need to stay in a longer time if the company is in a downtrend. So the next one is DMC. DMC, we see this incline support is still nag-hold. This is the fifth time. This is the first time here, second time, third time, fourth time, and fifth time times the price bounce on this incline support. So again, he's holding the horizontal support. Nagbabounce pa naman si DMC here. So this is, for me, still good for DMC if DMC hold this horizontal support and this incline support. So, but if this incline support and horizontal support and a breakdown, then this is another story for DMC. He will go another movement. Just watch this horizontal support and incline support na hindi ma-break ni DMC, especially on this area here. So if you have a position, just check this line, incline and horizontal support na hindi ma-break ni DMC. Kasi kung ma-break, and of course, it will going down. We'll see the other one, dito. What happened to dito? Why is going down? But I see yesterday there is a rejection of dito on based on the price movement of dito. There is a rejection yesterday. Metrobank is down by 6.59. Shout out to Engineer Jonel Galbi and to Engineer Michael Aguetan, to Federico Paulino and Eric Romulano, to Gilbert Austria and Dennis Kamaya and James Nicole. Thank you for your support. Now this is the incline support of dito CMA. Now when you go up, there's a rejection here yesterday. If you see the candle yesterday, there is a rejection of dito. So we'll expect there's a pullback again of D2 semi on this horizontal support and this inclined support. This is the area we need to watch always for D2. If there is a bounce and retracement of this area, if mag-hold yung price ni D2 CMA. So for now, still the current price of D2, I did not see any bounce for D2 now. It is a downward movement. As I said, we need to watch this horizontal support and this inclined support, then ma break ni D2 if there is also a bounce in this area. So this is the area we need to watch for D2. BEC also is down. We'll try BEC. ER is up by 22.22%. And LAN 28. BC is still holding this inclined support, but take note now, if BC will close red today, for me, my opinion, there's a possibility that this inclined support ay ma-break ni BEC. So we need BC to close green today. But if it will close red, my opinion for BEC, there's a possibility that this inclined support ay ma-break ni BEC. So this is my general opinion for BEC. So currently, as of 10:09 in the morning, the top losers is Prim, 7.45%. LAN is the top gainers, 24.27%. And for the most active, the D2 is down by 3.6%. EPL also is down by 2.35. Vulcan is 3.54. Isen 1.53 is down. So I hope you learned something about this discussion. And before I go, I will shout out to the viewers. Thank you for your support. Mercy ACAS, to Chrismin Nabulag, to Nerva Rufino, Mr. Nature, thank you for your support. To Chris Adventure, to my wife, Nina ACAS, to Lone Salabi, thank you for your support. And to Chris Adventure, to Loans and Chrismin, thank you for your support. And if you have comments, just put your comments in the comments box, and we will discuss about this technical analysis in the stock market. So that's all for today. We need to take care always. God bless us always.